SJBIT, a renowned institution, was established in 2001 under the stewardship of Sri Adi Chunchandgiri Shikshana Trust, which owns 500s of institutions with millions of students benefited. Paramapujya Bhairavakya Padma Bhushana Shri Dr. Balagangadharanatha Mahaswamiji started this institution with the intention of extending affordable technological education. Currently, our Chief Pontiff Paramapujya Shri Dr. Nirmala Anandanatha Mahaswamiji manages the trust. And support rendered by our MD Reverend Shri Dr. Prakashnath Swamiji, who ensures state-of-art facility in the campus. Dr. Puttraju, our principal, leads SJBIT team with all the dynamicity and believes in overall development of the peers. SJBIT initially started with 3 departments: Information Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering under its wings. Later, in the year 2004, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering was added, followed by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering and Department of MBA. Our life would be unthinkable without electrical energy. From decades, field of electricals have developed drastically in all folds of generation, transmission, distribution and utilization. An engineering intervention is much more important to endure technological changes resulting in drastic proficiency. Students can make their careers and perceive their passion in the field of electrical engineering. With more opportunities in the field spread right from storage systems to hybrid systems, this has scope for innovation and research. Students from electrical background have more job opportunities spread across private and government sector. In government sector, ESCOMs, BEL, BHEL, TERI, Power Grid Corporation of India, to name few. Many big private companies like Tata, Schneider, Bosch, L&T and Adani groups are venturing into this domain foreseeing the trends. Students also have good chances in IT sector. Department of EEE was added as a feather to the hat of SJBIT. Having 60 intake, department have ensured to attract young enthusiasts into the field. Dedicated, well-qualified staffs strengthen the department, which is further corroborated by qualified technical staffs. Our teaching fraternity endures continuous learning process to match with the current pace. Teaching, learning and evaluation process is also blended with ICT platform to ensure effective content delivery. Department have bagged few VTU university ranks in recent years. Department of EEE has laid out well-equipped and advanced laboratories. Extending to this, we also have incubation units, training units like CETRAT by Bosch Rexroth, Creative Infotech by Apple and Ethnotech to name few. Having signed MOU with different industries who support us providing training, workshops, internships and innovative projects to the students. Annual project exhibition and symposiums are organized, providing a platform to the students to showcase their innovative ideas. Our incubation center not only provide a platform but also provide a technical assistance to pursue the idea into the prototype. We also encourage students to participate in different competitions across the world and win appraisals and prizes. We have a university recognized state-of-art research center too. Periodical skill development, expert lectures, seminars make our students more proficient. Co-curricular activity also helps students to have more exposure to practical learning. We organize regular industry visit and hands-on trainings. To thread in parents to the system, we organize parent-teacher meetings regularly. Arena for extracurricular activity have been our focus too. Right from sports, cultural and technical events, we give equal sway. Annual Intercollegiate Techno-Cultural and Sports Fest is organized by department and we call it fondly Duty. which have year by year ensured to attract thousands of participants from different institutions. Ethnic Day, BJS Utsav, Varchasva, faculty trips, industry visit, student trips, farewell parties, freshers' days provide a small relief in between the academics. Not to forget, we always shoulder department social responsibility where we extend our helping hands to orphanages, underdeveloped villages and needy families. These are just few glimpses of our routine at EEE Department SGBIT.
Currently, I'm working with Shell, specifically Shell Energy, where energy is traded as a commodity all across the globe, very specifically in regulated markets. When I chose electrical, there was not much of companies in the core electric field that you could establish your career in. But the day today we are in, the situation is completely different. With the advancement in technology and with the great demand for energy and specifically electrical energy, there's a wide scope for engineers to progress their career in any field they like, may it be in agriculture, power systems, defense, aerospace, aircraft engineering, global positioning systems, and the list is endless.
Well, during the year 2005, I enrolled into Electrical Electronics department. 4 years of my journey with the department was very good. The department provided me with a vast learning and exploring opportunities in terms of studies, extracurricular activities. Currently, I am working on energy efficiency, sustainability on smart buildings. Regarding the subject EEE, every topic you study during your course, you will find a company out there in the market. The need of this hour, I wish you all the best.
With all this, we can conclude that electrical subject is very important in the current scenario. Be a part of a renowned institution is JBIT and ensure a bright future.